Chuck is visiting another factory today.
I just arrived at Luoyang. A little colder here, but still really nice. I'm going to see a different supplier, different manufacturer here, and see what they have to offer.
He gets to ride on this bullet train that goes like 300 miles per hour. It's so cool. Okay, this is what the hair looks like directly from the donor that they cut off in a ponytail. This is the dyeing process. This is the hand-tied process. This man invented the V-Light. This is a new feathering technique. These are all hand-tied.
We made a 100%. Check the color is different than black girl product.
Preferences.
Yeah, the part we made